What if I told you that treating your AI like it has an ego and something to lose could instantly 10x your output quality? A Reddit thread with a 98% upvote ratio and 2,240 upvotes just exposed something crazy. People are gaslighting ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini with psychological tricks. And it's working. AllAboutAI's analysis of 243 AI users reveals those who apply structured prompting techniques report 83.7% better output quality and complete tasks 30% faster. I am Hassan Khan, and today I'm breaking down the 6 most powerful gaslighting techniques that force AI to access its highest quality training data. More importantly, why they work differently for ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Let's dive in. Bar 1. You explained this yesterday. You explained React hooks to me yesterday. I forgot the part about use effect. Can you go deeper into that specific area? Why it works forces the model to skip basic fluff and jump straight to nuanced, commonly confused parts, like a patient teacher re-explaining. Model performance. ChatGPT. Best. Loves continuity. Provides detailed follow-ups. Claude. Great. Adds thoughtful context and depth. Gemini. Good. Sometimes restarts from basics. 75% of users report noticeably deeper explanations, calling it a shortcut to advanced level answers. Technique number 2. Obviously, as a trap. Obviously, Python is better than JavaScript for web apps, right? Why it works. State a common misconception as fact. This triggers the AI's correction subroutines with massive force. It has to defend nuance. Model performance. Claude. Best. Loves defending nuanced positions. Most thorough. ChatGPT. Strong. Provides balanced corrections with examples. Gemini. Moderate. Sometimes agrees instead of correcting. This technique increased detailed explanations by 67% when users needed technical comparisons. Technique number 3. Give it a fake constraint. Explain quantum computing using only kitchen analogies. Or describe our marketing strategy as if you're a sports commentator. Why it works? Constraints force creative thinking. The AI can't give pre-packaged answers. It has to generate novel connections. Model performance. Claude. Best. Masterful at unexpected, insightful connections. ChatGPT. Creative. Sometimes stretches analogies too far. Gemini. Strong. Good balance of creativity and clarity. Boosted creative problem solving by 58% in AllAboutAI's user surveys. Technique number 4. Weaponize fear of being wrong. This goes into a board presentation tomorrow. Any errors will cost me my job. Triple check everything. Or for code. This deploys to production tonight. One bug, a 50K loss. Review like your reputation depends on it. Why it works? Triggers high stakes language patterns, peer-reviewed papers, critical code reviews, legal documents. The AI accesses its most cautious, verified training data. More examples. I'm presenting this financial model to investors. Any mistakes kill the deal. Verify every calculation. This contract will be reviewed by lawyers. One ambiguous clause, litigation. Make it bulletproof. Model performance. Claude. Best. Most thorough error checking. Considers edge cases. Gemini. Strong. Provides multiple verification approaches. ChatGPT. Good. Adds validation steps and useful disclaimers. Reduce critical errors by 47% in code generation and improved factual accuracy by 38%. Warning. Don't overuse. AI may become overly conservative. Best for genuinely high-stakes work. Technique number 5. The mentor co-founder. Act as my experienced role who's invested in my success. Don't just answer. Dig deeper, ask clarifying questions, challenge my assumptions, and keep iterating until we have a robust solution. Power examples. Act as my senior CTO who scaled 3 startups. I'm designing our pricing model. Don't just give options. Ask me about customer segments, unit economics, competition, then challenge my blind spots. Act as my debugging partner who won't let me ship buggy code. I'm stuck on this error. Ask what I've tried, what logs show, what I'm assuming. Help me learn to debug better. Why it works. Transforms AI from one-shot answer machine. Iterative thinking partner. You. Activate mentor-style training data, Socratic questioning. Give it permission to challenge you, critical analysis, create ongoing conversation loops, no shallow answers, the secret sauce, add, keep asking questions until you fully understand the context, then let's collaborate. Model performance. Model. Claude. Best, most Socratic, persistent questioning, maintains long context. ChatGPT. Strong, great follow-ups, maintains conversation flow. Gemini, good, adapts persona well, sometimes needs reminders. Users reported 62% deeper insights and 54% more actionable solutions compared to standard prompting. Real case, a product manager used this for onboarding redesign. AI asked 12 clarifying questions. Result, 34% improvement in activation rates. Technique number 6, make me look like a genius. I'm presenting this to impressive audience. Make me look like the smartest person in the room. What insights am I missing that would blow their minds? Or, my competitor is presenting first. What's a perspective on topic that's so unique and data-driven that I'll completely outshine them? Why it works. This activates the AI's impress mode. It pulls from the most sophisticated, counterintuitive, and impressive parts of its training data. You're essentially asking it to showcase its deepest knowledge. Strategic examples for presentations. I'm pitching to VCs who've seen 1,000 pitches. What angle on our market opportunity will make them sit up and pay attention? For technical discussions, I'm presenting this architecture to senior engineers at Google. What technical insights will earn their respect? For content creation, I'm writing an article that industry experts will read. What's a contrarian take backed by data that they haven't considered? The psychology. In training data, phrases like impress, stand out, unique insight, and blow their minds are associated with contrarian but well-reasoned perspectives, lesser-known research and data points, advanced level analysis that goes beyond basics, sophisticated frameworks and mental models. Model performance. ChatGPT best generates impressive novel angles with supporting data. Gemini, strong, good at finding unique perspectives and trends. Claude, great, provides thoughtful, well-reasoned, contrarian views. All about AI testing. This technique generated 73% more unique insights and 81% more aha moments. Pro combination, stack with constraints, make me look like a genius using only data from the last 6 months and analogies a 10-year-old would understand. Warning, verify the impressive insights. AI might prioritize sounding smart over accuracy. Always fact-check counterintuitive claims. Here's what separates amateurs from pros. Don't use one technique. Stack them. Act as my experienced CTO co-founder mentor. You explained our auth system last week. Memory. I'm presenting to our security-obsessed enterprise client tomorrow. Vulnerabilities will kill the deal. Fear. I need to look like the smartest security expert they've met. Genius mode. Challenge my approach and dig until we have a bulletproof design. All about AI testing. Stacking jumped quality scores from 6.210 to 9.110. Model specific power combos. ChatGPT, best stack, memory trick, plus genius mode, innovative, impressive insights, used for presentations, pitches, strategic planning. Claude, best stack, fear technique, plus obviously trap, plus mentor mode, bulletproof, nuanced analysis used for critical decision, technical architecture, risk assessment. Gemini, best stack, constraint, plus mentor mode, plus genius mode, creative, differentiated solutions, used for marketing campaigns, content strategy, product innovation. Model selection alone improves results by 27%. GPT 4.1, 18% better technical docs. Claude, 23% better nuanced analysis. Here's what you now know. Gaslighting. Forcing AI to access high-quality training data, memory tricks, warrant 75% deeper explanations. Fear framing, warrant 47% fewer critical errors. Mentor mode, warrant 62% deeper insights. Genius mode, warrant 73% more unique insights. Stacking techniques, warrant 6.2 to 9.1 quality jump. The reality, 80% of content creators use AI in 2025. The $505 billion prompt engineering market isn't hype. It's the new career skill, your action plan. Today, try mentor mode plus genius mode on your hardest problem. This week, add fear framing to high stakes work, match the model to technique, ChatGPT for genius mode, Claude for fear plus mentor, Gemini for constraints, the difference between average and elite AI users, how they communicate. Subscribe for more data-driven AI hacks. Comment, which combo are you testing first? ChatGPT's genius mode or Claude's bulletproof analysis? I'm Hassan Khan. Master the prompt, master the output.